Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you navigate the wild world of consumer products without losing your sanity or your wallet. Today, we're diving deep into the steam showdown between two heavyweights in the cleaning arena, the Waitebird Steam Cleaner and the BISSELL SpinWave SmartSteam Scrubbing Steam Mop. First up, let's talk about the price. The Waitebird comes in at $139, while the BISSELL is priced at $159. Reviewers appreciate the Waitebird for its value, noting it's efficient and environmentally friendly, making it a highly recommended steam cleaner. On the other hand, some BISSELL users feel the price is justified given its effectiveness and ease of use, especially for larger areas. Now, on to the steam power. The Waitebird can heat up to a scorching 248 degrees Fahrenheit, which many reviewers highlight as a significant advantage for tough cleaning tasks. Meanwhile, the BISSELL offers two steam levels, which users find flexible for different cleaning needs. Reviewers note that this flexibility makes the BISSELL suitable for various surfaces, although some prefer the higher heat of the Waitebird for stubborn stains. Speaking of handling things, let's talk usability. The Waitebird features a built-in child safety lock, which is praised by users for peace of mind. It's lightweight and easy to maneuver, making it great for extended cleaning sessions. Conversely, the BISSELL boasts an intelligent LED display, and users find it user-friendly, although some have reported minor issues with setup. Overall, both are rated highly for usability, but the Waitebird edges out slightly for safety features. Now let's discuss accessories. The Waitebird comes with a whopping 21 versatile accessories, making it a favorite among reviewers who appreciate the variety for different cleaning tasks. In contrast, the BISSELL offers washable microfiber pads, which users find convenient but feel less versatile than the Waitebird's extensive kit. Reviewers of both products agree that having the right tools makes a significant difference in cleaning efficiency. And finally, let's talk application. The Waitebird is praised for its ability to clean a wide range of surfaces, from floors to delicate items like vases. Users have reported success with tough jobs, making it a go-to cleaning device. The BISSELL, however, shines with its swivel head, allowing easy access under furniture. Reviewers appreciate the BISSELL for its ability to tackle large areas quickly, but some note it may not be as effective on certain surfaces as the Waitebird. Overall, reviewers for the Waitebird Steam Cleaner praise its efficiency, versatility, and powerful steam, making it a top choice for deep cleaning. The BISSELL SpinWave SmartSteam Scrubbing Steam Mop is also highly regarded for its ease of use and effectiveness, particularly for larger spaces, though some users have encountered minor issues with setup. So there you have it, folks. The Waitebird Steam Cleaner is the eco-friendly powerhouse with a laundry list of accessories, while the BISSELL SpinWave SmartSteam is your tech-savvy friend who knows how to keep it clean and easy. Which one will you choose? Will you go for the Waitebird's hot steam and versatility, or the BISSELL's smart features and pet-saving mission? Comment below with your pick and let us know if you've tried either of these steamers. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, happy cleaning, and remember, if it's not steaming, it's not gleaming.